LingPortal Online School presents
The Ultimate English Grammar Challenge. Think your English grammar is good? Take this challenge and see how many questions you can answer correctly. Choose the correct answer. Everyone in the class speaks English well. Yesterday we stayed at home all evening. Look, he is talking on the phone. She has been reading that book all day. When I arrived, they were having dinner. I have known him for years. By the time we got there, the shop had closed.
The fuel light is on.
I know. I am going to stop at the next petrol station. Which tense is used in this sentence? The present perfect tense. I have seen this film before. I buy milk from a farmer. This house was built in 2005. Usually, I have some cereal for breakfast. You can use my dictionary if you need it. Here it is. You need to add more information to the website. He arrived at the airport late at night. Where is that noise coming from? The students were confused by the difficult test. Are you coming to the party tonight? If I were you, I would take this job. Robert, with his friends, is buying a new business. Is this your car? It's similar to mine. She took a photo. You should drive carefully when it's raining. What does expensive mean? The word expensive means costly. What is the antonym of increase? The antonym of increase is reduce. Be careful not to overcook the pasta. The heating system has gone off again. I prefer staying at home in the evenings. He can't be at home. I've just seen him at the cafe. Thanks for taking the challenge. Keep learning, keep improving, and see you on LingPortal.